Hey Saladmaster owners! Have you heard of the recent addition to the complete gourmet collection of Saladmaster? These are the collection with the gold inlay and also in the handles. So this is the last and the 7th addition to the collection. This is the 6-quart Elite Sauté. And today I want to show you the capacity, how big is this cookware and what you can do with it. So let's start. I'll be cooking corn on the cob. And of course, what I normally do is I will remove the husk, but I won't throw it away. I will put it so there's nothing in there. I'll just put it at the bottom of the cookware like this. Okay, and then I'm going to put half a cup only of water. And that's the main difference of Saladmaster. You don't need to put too much water because the moisture retention is the best in Saladmaster. So I washed the corn, and you can either cook it like this in a whole, or you can cut it like this. So it's totally up to you. So I'll just put the corn here. Wow, big capacity. Okay, and of course the normal lid with this capacity, it won't fit, and so I will show you how to use other cookwares to use as a dome lid like this 7-quart roaster, which perfectly fits here. Or you can also use the 11-inch skillet on top if your cooking is not that much, but for this amount I prefer to use the 7-quart roaster. And because it has this flat surface on the top, then you can use other cookware to cook while you're cooking something. So 2 birds in 1 stone. Okay, and because corn on the cob is a kind of snack in the Filipino community, and we normally eat this in the afternoon with a cup of coffee, especially in the province that I grew up in, like in the province of Batangas in the Philippines. We normally have freshly brewed coffee, and so I'll be using this 3-quart roaster. I actually added half a cup of water there. So I will heat up both cookware on medium heat. So that's the good thing, it works on induction too. In this cookware, of course, I put the lid so you can hear the clicking. So once I hear the clicking sound, I'll put the freshly grind coffee and about 4 or 5 tablespoons. And of course, a tablespoon of sugar, which is totally up to you. I want my coffee to be still warm while I'm cooking the corn. So after I finish cooking the coffee, I will put this on the top. So while I'm cooking the corn, I'm still warming up the coffee. Stack cooking. However, on this cookware, as you can see, the vapor valve is not there because this is not the normal lid. But I'll give you a tip. Once the water, you can see so much water on the side, because that's the technology of Saladmaster. The water goes up and then it goes to the side, creates a water seal. So you can see the water bubbles on the side. That means it's ready to be turned down to low. So at the moment it's on medium-high, and then you just turn it down to low once you see those bubbles. And the good thing about it is, of course, as you know, it maintains the temperature inside to around 86 degrees Celsius, in which we will protect the corn. So we'll not be losing too much flavor and goodness and vitamins and minerals. Okay, so now our water, our 3-quart roaster is clicking. So it's time to put the coffee. 1, 2, depends how strong you want your coffee to be. About 4, and then you can add later if you want to. Actually, I want strong coffee. Call it Kapeng Barako. And with the sugar, it's up to you as well how sweet you want it to be. Just a tablespoon for me. And mix it. And I know some people, they drain the coffee granules. But for me, the way I saw it before, they just leave it and let the ground coffee go to the bottom of the cookware. And that's it. We will just drink it like this. But let's just put the cover. I'll put it on low heat now because it's already clicking. And I will just cook it for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And then after, since the corn, I'm still waiting, I'll turn off the heat here, and then I'll put this on the top. Okay, so after about 5 to 7 minutes, you can see, as I said, the water bubbles on the side. So time to turn it down to low. I'll put this 3-quart roaster on the top. I'll turn off this stove. And yeah, so while you're cooking the corn, you're cooking the coffee as well. And later, it's time to eat it. So probably I'll be cooking the corn for about 30 to 40 minutes. But it's on a low temperature. So later you'll see the corn, it's very, very yellow. It's very, very sweet. So you don't need to add extra butter, extra seasoning to make it tasty. For me, I like it like this only. And also my kids, this is their favorite. After 30 minutes, let's see what happened to our coffee and of course our corn on the cob. So let's just put this down. And it's still very hot. And now let's see our corn. Ta-da! Look at that. So see this, there's so much moisture still there. Half a cup of water is enough with this much. And that's moisture retention is what I'm talking about. Look at our corn, very yellow and it will be very, very sweet. So let me just get one. And of course, let's look at our kapeng barako. Brewed freshly. And of course, the coffee settled at the bottom already. So remember, this is only available for a limited time until October 31 only. So what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you again next time. Bye for now.